Hi everyone. Video is an example of direct variation. We have 4 problems to practice on. You're welcome to pause the video and try some on your own. The main thing is getting the equation right. So you have direct variation. It's like this. So we're going to write it as if you solve for k, which is what we're looking for. And we're trying to find y on all of these. So we could say y divided by x equals k. So let's write our equation as y sub 1 divided by x sub 1 equals, and I'm saying subscript for sub, y sub 2 divided by x sub 2. Direct variation is what you're used to doing, but when you set up proportions usually. But you just didn't know it was direct variation. So basically for the first one, you're saying y is to 6 as 8 is to 2. And then you cross multiply. So you get y equals 6 times 8 divided by 2. And I like to do it without a calculator. So 3 times 8 is 24. The second one, you do the same way. Y is to 1.5 as negative 16 is to 6. So basically I can reduce this y is to 1.5, and this is going to be negative 8/3. And you cross multiply, trying to keep this y equals 1.5 to negative 8 divided by 3. So this is going to be negative 8 minus 4 is negative 12. I just multiplied 1 times negative 8, then I took half of negative 8. This is if you're doing it without a calculator, which I love to do to keep my mind sharp. So the answer to this one is just negative 4. All right, now we have these two to do, so you might want to try those. I'll go ahead and rewrite the formula. So we have y sub 1 divided by, and again I'm saying sub for subscript, divided by x sub 2 equals y sub 2 divided by x sub 2. This should be 1. All right, so we're just reading it. Y is to 4 as 7 is to 1.5. So this gives you y equals, cross multiply. That gives you 28 divided by 1.5. Now let's look at this one. This is really y equals 28 divided by 3/2. So if you really want to fix this, you can just multiply those two. That's going to give you 56 divided by 3. All right, or you could just leave it like this. All right, now let's do the next one. So we're using the same formula. Y is to 5 as 5 is to 3.5. So this means y equals, just cross up here, 25 to 3.5. Now 3.5 is going to be 3 1/2, which is 7/2. Again, just multiply those two, and you get this equals 50 divided by 2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.